Welcome to Business Reporter's The Best of Global Business campaign. Today's marketers face ever-increasing consumer expectations. Not only are they responsible for brand and acquisition, according to Dotdigital's new CMO report, in which 750 plus marketing leaders from around the world were surveyed, they're also more likely to own the end-to-end CX. But instead of using powerful, user-friendly digital tools, marketers will often have to make do with software that's complicated, disjointed, and lacking in customer data. It doesn't have to be that way. Today I'm talking to Steve Shaw, CPTO of Dotdigital, a digital marketing software as a service provider. Dotdigital says its software can break down data silos, automate campaigns at scale, and maximise the productivity of marketeers so they can focus on the CX they set out to deliver. What's it like being a marketer today?
It's tough. Marketers actually, they go into marketing wanting to be innovative and creative, but they just don't have the technology backing them up. A lot of it is bloated, a lot of the data is siloed, and they really can't achieve the goals a lot of the time they're trying to as a brand.
So what is it about that technology that's preventing them from creating engaging campaigns at scale?
There's three major challenges that they have. The first is where it's quite easy to buy this technology. It's meant that the marketing stack that they're using is very bloated. There's lots of different applications and software, and it's all storing lots of pieces of data that they need to really drive fantastic kind of customer experiences in the future. They've got big silos forming, data silos forming, as well as not really being able to get insights out of that data to drive this positive and kind of personalised experiences that marketers want to do.
It seems like technology is almost overwhelming marketers. So is there a way that you could create clarity so that you can turn this wealth of data from what is now a burden into an opportunity?
Yes, there absolutely is. The first thing you've really got to do, though, is you've really got to understand your data, know where it is, what data you have within your business, and you've got to bring it together. You've got to bring that data together into one place so that you can ultimately utilize that to drive fantastic personalized experiences at every single moment with you as a brand having a connection with that end consumer.
So we know what the need is. Tell us more about Dotdigital. Where do you fit into all of this?
Yeah, so Dotdigital is a customer experience and data platform. It's a cloud-based a piece of software that can really help you do some of the things we've been talking about. So the first is, how do you remove those silos? Well, Dotdigital can help by bringing all of that customer data into one place so that you can really look to automate and drive one-to-one personalized marketing. So once you've got your data in one place, you need to communicate on any channel. We enable that through our platform. Whether it be SMS, email, and all of those different channels of choice which consumers have now. But we don't just stop there. We have all of the support you need to really execute these fantastic customer experiences, whether it be through our world-class, award-winning support team or experts to really help you get the best out of your marketing strategy.
You talked about eliminating silos and how you help your clients with that. Could you elaborate a bit more how you do that?
Let's say you're a marketer at a fashion retailer and you're trying to drive more revenue to a store. There's so many different systems that you're having to connect to, whether it be e-commerce, point of sale solutions in store, loyalty systems too. Once you've brought that data together, you can then start to get the clarity over that individual consumer who's purchased more recently in store, and then you can drive more communications, more messaging to them, which are relevant specifically to them, maybe even based on their previous purchase.
So when you're working with your clients, how do you help them to streamline their marketing stack?
Yeah, now once they've done quite a bit of the hard work and all of the data is in one place, we provide that single place where they can actually orchestrate all of these different fantastic personalized messages across lots of different channels. So you don't need to go into all of these individual pieces of software to communicate on the email channel, on the SMS channel or social. You can do it all within the interface in one place. Or if you need to automate that or connect other systems to our platform, you can do that headless if you want to too.
I can see there's clear advantages about automating at scale. The issue is personalization. How do you maintain the same level and quality of personalization when you do that?
Yeah, we find actually every consumer, you may need to tailor that experience. And once you've done the hard work of bringing all that data together, you can then really start to kind of grow and automate successfully. A lot of that requires really good ways to be able to test different consumer experiences and then use that feedback to make sure that they're working and really driving the outcome that you want to achieve.
You've talked a lot about technology and how technology can be a friend for marketeers to achieve their goals. Where do you see this heading? What are the trends that we should be looking out for over, say, the next 5 to 10 years?
We tend to find actually a lot of marketers are very much trying to focus on past data, past experiences, to achieve something more current. What we really see is where AI can come in is how can it infuse the marketer's intelligence? How can it even anticipate experiences that they may not even know that they wanted to do? Once you've got that clarity of data and you've got fantastic kind of machine learning and AI, you can start to anticipate and create fantastic consumer experiences into the future.
Well, it's been fascinating finding out more about how technology can help marketers. Steve Shaw from Dotdigital, thank you very much.
Thank you.